Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Nigira Techies. Today let's talk about useState hook in reactjs. Okay, we can start from this definition. The useState is an hook that allows you to have the state variables in functional components. You can pass the initial state into this function and it returns the variable with the current state values. Okay, for explaining this concept, let me go to the application. Okay, this is my created application. Let me go to this header component. Okay, if you noted here, I just hard coded one text. So let me copy this one. I'm going to declare one variable here, title text. Now let me bind this value here. Okay, let me check the output. Welcome to Nigira Techies. Now I'm trying to change the value of this particular variable. For that, I'm going to create one button first. Change title, and let me write one on-click event also. So the function name is handle click. So let me define this function here. Here let me change the value of this title text. Welcome to React tutorial. And also I'm going to put this value into console. Okay, now we can see the output. Okay, initially it should be a welcome to Nigira Techies. Let me go to the console. Okay, initially we don't have any value. Now let me click this change title. So if you noted here, this value has changed into welcome to React tutorial. That means our variable title text value is changed, but the UI it's not updated. Why? Because we just declared one normal variable. Okay, the React not going to listen there is any data change. For resolving this one, we can use this useState hook. So basically this useState hook, it will make this variable into a reactive variable. So let me do this one. useState, let me provide this value here, and also going to comment this one. So it is just an array. It has the two properties. The first one is our variable name, and the second one is one event change text. Okay, we just defined it. Now let me comment this one also. So after that, let me use this event. Here I am going to pass this welcome to a React tutorial. Okay, we have done. Now we can see our output once again. So the initial value should be welcome to Nigira Techies. So if I'm clicking this change title, now it's changed to welcome to React tutorial. So currently I am just applying for the string. The same thing we can apply for the integer or else objects and lists. So we can use the same thing. Let me explain with another one example using some objects. Constant user info, change user, then same useState. Here instead of the string, I'm going to use this object name robot and the age. age is 25. So this is the initial value. So on the button click, let me change this one into, let me copy the same object. Instead of the Robert, I'm going to change into Alex, and this age also I'm going to give 29. And also in this HTML side, let me create one h3 tag. So the user name is, let me use this one, user info dot name, and his age is, so user info dot age. Let me save it. Okay, currently we don't have any error. We can see the output now. So it's saying username is Robert and his age is 25. So when I'm clicking this button, so see now the text is changed. The username is Alex and also his age is 29. The same way, if required, we can use this list also. Still, if you have any doubts or clarification, please post in the comment box. And also please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.